Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harbor. You can find me on social media at all those places. This is the January Birchbox. Hello 2019. We're gonna hit refresh with this awesome box and refresh our beauty routine to start the new year. So let's get into the product. So hey gang, what's up? Hey, let's add a little more light. Boom! A little more light. There we go. I left my Christmas lights up because they were pretty, but they give a colorful bounce here. But anyway, that's not what you're here for. You're here for me to unbox this box. The Birchbox 2019, January. It is a theme of hit refresh. So, hello 2019. So saying how to refresh, make the most out of your boxes in the new year. What I like, they give you a list of all the products in your box. So we have the Aero Revitalize Under Eye Brightening Serum in light medium. It is skincare meets makeup. Pin Your Morning Savior. It's made with ginseng and caffeine, and it depuffs and soothes and brightens your under eyes. And I will be taking it with me on my trip. Then we have another perfect travel size for traveling and going on vacay. As MAC Cosmetics, I'm so happy that in 2018, MAC joined the Birchbox lineup because I love MAC. It's one of my favorite brands. It always has been. It always will be. In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Mascara. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's look at the brush. Boom. Look at that brush. It's gonna be awesome. Then we have the Model Co. Baked Highlighter in Moonshine. Look at that. Can't see. Oh, there you go. There we go. Ooh, highlight. Bounce that. I think that'll go too. Then we have, just in time for Mask Monday, Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. That's going to detoxify and brighten your complexion. Well, my complexion. Excited to try that. Then finally, we have TLW, which I've never tried anything of theirs before. Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. So it's supposed to smooth out frizz, hydrate, protect your hair, which if you noticed right now, I got some shades of pink and rose and everything. I decided to go a little crazy with the color for my vacay. I'm going to NOLA to see Duran Duran. Boom. Anyway, that is the January 2019 Birchbox. That's where to find me. Stay beautiful.